Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and today we're starting this one off on Instagram, and I'm going to show you how to use the focus lens. This will allow you to sort of take photos or selfies and it will blur the background. It'll add that depth of field in. Before we get into it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn on post notifications, all that. I would really appreciate it, and it's a huge help to the channel. It allows more people to find these videos. But moving right into it, what we want to do down here on the bottom of the screen, you'll see the different lenses. So what we want to do is swipe over to focus. If you don't have focus yet, you might want to update your app or update your phone, update all the things. That's what's going to allow you to get it. If that won't do it, you probably just have to wait. And you can see right away when I switch to this. Let me go back to normal. There's like blurring along the side of my head because it isn't able to do it perfectly. But like there's just a table back there, but you can see like the background's pretty blurred out. It's doing an okay job of it actually. If we go back to normal, you can see that stuff is more in focus. If we go to the focus mode, it blurs it. So it's able to pick up my face and like detect my body and do that. And then from here, all you need to do is hit this button to take a photo so that's pretty cool. You can still do a video with the focus mode. Interesting. And from here you can of course swipe over to add filters. You can add in stickers and locations and mentions and hashtags and all of that stuff like you normally would. If you want to learn how to do all sorts of stuff for Instagram, go ahead and check out the playlist that I've linked down in the description. There's tons of videos in there for you to start learning Instagram. I'm going to close this out, and now we'll do a version with a photo. It does a decent job. You can see it's definitely blurred along the edges of my head. So it's definitely not as crispy as a real camera or a real lens, but it does do something. And that might be something that they work on to like perfect over time. Of course, different phones with different lenses can have a different effect, but I think that's pretty cool that they're adding that in. And definitely that they're adding it in with the selfie camera. Usually we only see it on the rear facing camera. Like if you go on the standard camera app for your iPhone, it will only be for the rear facing camera. You won't be able to do it on the selfie camera right here. But that's all I got for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions and I'll try and answer those. Also be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily videos on social media, mobile apps, tech, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.